Upgrade the firmware. Discharge static electricity by touching the unit frame. Use a Phillips No. 2 screwdriver to open the electrical box behind the keypad display. Locate the SD card slot on the control board and gently press the card in to release it. Install the new SD card, then close and secure the electrical box cover. The SD card box will show either of the following part numbers. Use a Phillips No. 2 screwdriver to reinstall right, left, top, and rear sheet metal panels. Install a new specification label over the old one.